TikTok shop for creators. Okay, there's two versions of TikTok shops. There's one side for the seller and one side for the creator affiliate. The seller side is really easy to get approved for. All you got to do is prove who you are with some ID. The creator side is a little bit tougher. They want you to have 5,000 followers. But if you watch my video, I'm going to show you how to do it. I got my TikTok, brand new TikTok with 24 followers approved, and I'm adding links to my videos within 24 hours. But sellers can go ahead and upload their products and use affiliates to sell their products, and TikTok is going to take a percentage of the sale and send it to the affiliates without the seller even having to do anything. All the seller has to do is determine the percentage amount, whether it's going to be 10%, 5%, 12%, whatever. On the creator side, you can make videos that you're making already and actually put a link to your video to the product and create a sale. People can go and click that link and make a purchase right on TikTok, never leave TikTok, and stay on TikTok. This is going to be a game changer for affiliates. No more deep linking and worried about they have to log in and log out and go through all of these steps to make a purchase. On TikTok, they're going to make one click and make a purchase. Now, I said my account was approved with 24 followers. It's about a week old, and I've already made a bunch of sales. We're going to scroll through. I'm going to show you my inner office. So this is the inner office, my back office, I guess you'd call it. And on the left here button, you can push that, and it'll tell you where my content. It'll show you all my content. And then the next button over there to the right of the left button is the little shopping bag. And you click that, it'll bring you to your shop. Now you're in a TikTok shop, right? Your TikTok. This is your TikTok shop. Now I have no products in there because I'm not a seller, but I could be. I could add products in there if I wanted to, and I could also do some drop shipping if I was pretty slick. And stay tuned for the video on drop shipping on TikTok. Click this TikTok shop. Is going to bring you to your back office, and now you can see how many sales you had. You can go to the marketplace, right? And we can go and see. Let's go check out my sales. So as you can see, I've already made a bunch of sales. No sales today, but there's sold this camera, and that's been 10% commission. Sold this camera's 10% commission, another camera 10% commission, and the microphones at the bottom. I sold a bunch of microphones, and I sold they were 20% commissions. So that and you're going to get those. And of course, I haven't gotten them yet. The account's only a week old. It takes about 15 days for them to pay out after it's been delivered, and they're going to pay it right to your PayPal. All right, excellent. All you got to do is set up a nice payment method. All right. And it's pretty easy and pretty lucrative. And it's pretty simple to make content. You guys already know how to make content on TikTok. You're already on TikTok. If you want to know how to make content, let me know. I'm doing some videos on how to make content for TikTok shops. Once you're approved as a TikTok shop creator, you can go live as well, do live streams. TikTok shop creator is only a couple of weeks old. It's time to get in on the ground floor and get started. Time to be an early adopter and take advantages of being the first people to the marketplace. Comment in the comment section. Do you have any questions on TikTok shop affiliate, TikTok shop creator? There's a lot of confusion on YouTube because the TikTok shop means different things to different people. Okay. And the creator fund is different than TikTok shop creator. So there's not a lot of good content for TikTok shop creator. So check it out. Let me know what you need to know. I'll make another video. And YouTube's decided this is the next video you need to watch. If you don't have 5,000 followers, you need to watch this video right now. Subscribe so you don't miss nothing.